My first impression when I landed in Kathmandu was this is a very busy city, and I think this is the heart of backpackers around the world, especially for those who want to climb the Himalayas mountains. And I stayed in Tamil, of course, and on 4th December I took the bus to go to Pokhara, and I sacrificed my ass for 8 hours drive long to go there. Nevertheless, nothing made me happier than a cheap travel, because it only cost me 900 NPR. And then reaching to Pokhara, I stayed with a friend called Bijaya, which I have introduced you in my previous video. I then went from Pokhara to Nepal by bus, and it was an hour drive that cost me 250 Nepali rupees. And then from there I took a jeep to go to Kimche, and that cost me like 2000 Nepali rupees, because there's no one that shared the cost with me to go there. Now I'm gonna take you to the trekking route that I took. I started right from Kimche and walking 2 hours to Jinudanda, and directly continued to Chamrong for 2.5 hours. That was the very exhausting first day. And then the next day I took downhill and uphill to go to Sinawa for 3 hours, and continued to Bamboo in 2 hours, and straightly walking to Dovan. I stayed there and I slept like a baby. The next day I got up and moved my ass to Himalaya, and still walking up to Durali. I said goodbye with Melody, Gabrielle and Eric. I started hiking alone to Embassy. That was very cool, and I was almost lost myself. But the view was phenomenal for me. I started to see snow-capped mountains along the way, and that was very beautiful. Now, today is the day when I reach the ABC from Embassy, which is the final destinations of all of this journey. But of course, I must walking down again to Pokhara, because, dude, I have no budget for a helicopter, man. Nothing. Enjoy!
Ini hari keempat, mau trekking lanjut ke ABC. Tapi mau ngeliat cuaca dulu, karena mataharinya nggak turun-turun, dan di luar itu -7. Tuh, cerah sih di luar, cerah banget. Tapi -7. Ya aja aku di dalam kayak menggigil gitu kedinginan, jadi nganget dulu. Numpang juga ini hallnya gitu. Nanti habis ini mungkin sekitar jam 9.15 lanjut perjalanan sekitar 2 jam ke ABC. It's my final destinations for the whole trek. I wanna go that area that kissed by sunlight, because in here it's so freaking cold. I look like, I don't know, a mess. There. There's the sunlight. Yeah, look at the sunlight come through my face. I think it's gonna be 1 hour more to get to the ABC. I think I'm the only one who do the uphill. Oh, there are some people that are going down from above. I feel warm right now, so I probably want to take off my jacket. Right. Ah, he left me. Good guide, dog. Indonesia, tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku.
Maldives?
I mean Maldives?
China?
First one is Hong Kong, and then
Chinese.
Maldives, and then China,
And Nepal too.
and then Nepal too. Oh my god, I have so many nationalities.
Philippines?
Philippines?
Oh.
It's close, yeah?
Yeah.
Famous with the beaches.
Bali? India?
What?
Islamabad.
You gonna give up? Are you gonna give up?
Thailand, no? Indonesia.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Good morning from Annapurna Base Camp. I'm with her. But
She says she doesn't snore, but she does.
I didn't realize while I'm snoring. It's probably -12 outside. Now we're gonna watch the sunrise. It's freezing here. The sunrise. Gabriel's there! Yeah, we made it. Thank you. Visiting Annapurna Base Camp.
Suwagatum.
What's Swagatam?
I think it's you're welcome. I probably said it.
Swagatam, yeah.
Gotham?
Swagatam? Gotham City? I don't know.
Gotham.
Swagatam. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad Annapurna Base Camp.
That's mine wedding. Of course not.
So Lapa just used my backpack, so we exchange. And then I use his backpack because it's lighter, so much lighter. I feel like I don't bring anything. I don't know what he carries along the way. He just carries his body and just an empty backpack, I guess. Lapa! You got me there. It's his backpack. Still on the trail to go to Dovan right now. I came from BC and then MBC and get to the Himalaya, and then now I'm on my trail to go to Dovan. Actually, I'm planning to stay in Bamboo for the night, but apparently right now is already 4 p.m. and then the sun is going down soon, so it's marijuana. Namaste horses. You walk first. You go walk first. You show me the way. Rabbit, yeah. There. That's me. Yeah. You're not sure? I thought I looked different in the picture. I got my face burned. It is safe. That's me. Indonesia. Siapa nama bang?
MK Rahman.
Ah. It's the traffic.
Macet. Macet di pergunungan.
Hi there. Hi there.
You guys might understand the feeling or the sense of ending a trekking. Like,
Grab the phone. Hello.
dude, I finally reached that and come back safely. And this contentment is hardly to put into words. My trekking journal may make parts of trekking in Nepal seems like a torture, but it's a small price, trust me. It's just a small price to pay for the rewards of spending time and a breathtaking scenery with genuinely beautiful people around. Annapurna Base Camp Trek, I must say this,
Now.
that around 115 kilometers in total, 6 days of crazy walking. Now you tell me where to go next.